Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we have something that is a little different for us here in Canada, are these Zamac sets. So we don't actually get these very often. The only place that I've been able to find these is Toys R Us, but this is the newer one. It's got the E's on the back. Now, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Zamac, whatever. I'm excited because I really like the Zamacs a lot, but yeah, in Canada we don't get these very much. It's more of a US thing, but yeah. So let's go unbox this and then we'll be back after. that was the new Zamac set, the 6-pack. Now my favorite cars, the 3 of my favorite cars out of this are the Shelby Cobra, the 370Z, and that Hudson Hornet. I think looks really, really good. Really good. The Aston Martin's okay. The Land Rover's okay. The El Camino, it's starting to grow on me. I'm starting to really like that casting. But yeah, so that was the Zamac set. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.